This is the day in the life of a TV and film set design student at USW. So I tend to start the day tidying my bed, making sure everything's nice and clean, all ready to start the day, and then I'll get changed into my outfit for the day, and then I'll start packing my bag with everything I'm going to need, like my laptop, drinks bottle, all that kind of stuff, so that I don't forget anything I need to run home. Then I'll head into uni, ready to start the day. So today was our first year presentations, letting them know what we're going to need them to do for our second year films. We then had a presentation by painting practice, which was really interesting and really good. They talked about some stuff on concept art and character concept art, and how that all works. We then stopped off at the craft fair, which was really interesting to see what illustration students had done. And then I headed home for a little bit of lunch and a bit of a break. Then heading back into uni to get a little bit of props done. The workshop's got loads and loads of facilities, so it's really easy to pop in there and do whatever you need to do. They've got everything. Then headed home to do a little bit of admin then in the evening, a few emails, some portfolio stuff, making sure everything's updated from the week of all the work I've done. It's always nice to put a bit of comedy on then as well too while I'm working. And there you go.